Quick fire hydrangea versus limelight. I love how the quick fire blooms earlier than limelight hydrangea, giving my garden a head start on summer color. Quick fire hydrangea versus pinky winky. While hydrangea pinky winky's two-tone blooms are charming, I prefer the quicker blooming and compact size of quick fire. See more 100 species in genus hydrangea at monsteraholic.com. Quick fire hydrangea versus vanilla strawberry. Vanilla strawberry hydrangea's larger blooms are stunning, but quick fire's reliable early bloom time makes it my favorite for consistent garden color. Quick fire hydrangea versus quick fire fab. Quick fire fab's larger flowers are impressive, but I appreciate quick fire's manageable size and reliable blooming in my garden. When to prune quick fire hydrangea? When it comes to pruning my quick fire hydrangea, I usually do it in late winter or early spring before new growth begins to emerge. This timing allows me to shape the plant and remove any dead or damaged branches without interfering with its blooming cycle. Plus, it gives me a chance to assess its overall health after winter and prepare it for the growing season ahead. How to prune quick fire hydrangea? Pruning my quick fire hydrangea involves removing about 1/3 of the oldest stems each year to encourage new growth and maintain a tidy appearance. I focus on cutting back any weak or crossing branches to promote good air circulation and prevent overcrowding. I also make sure to remove any spent flower heads to encourage continuous blooming throughout the summer and into fall. How big does a quick fire hydrangea get? Quick fire hydrangeas can reach a height and spread of about 6 to 8 feet, making them perfect for adding a bold statement to my garden landscape without taking up too much space. I love how they fill out nicely and create a beautiful backdrop or focal point, depending on where I plant them. How fast does quick fire hydrangea grow? In my experience, quick fire hydrangeas are relatively fast growers, especially during the active growing season. With proper care and favorable conditions, I've noticed significant growth each year, which is exciting to see as it fills out and becomes more established in my garden. How to care for quick fire hydrangea? Caring for my quick fire hydrangea involves providing it with well-draining soil, regular watering, and occasional fertilization during the growing season to promote healthy growth and abundant blooms. I also make sure to mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress weeds, which helps it thrive. What to plant with quick fire hydrangea? I've found that planting companion plants like ornamental grasses, daylilies, or asters around my quick fire hydrangea adds visual interest and complements its blooming cycle. These plants provide additional texture and color while enhancing the overall aesthetic of my garden. When does quick fire hydrangea bloom? Quick fire hydrangeas typically bloom in early summer, starting in late June or early July, and continue to bloom into the fall. I eagerly anticipate their arrival each year, and their long blooming period ensures that I have a continuous display of beautiful flowers to enjoy throughout the warmer months. Where to plant quick fire hydrangea? When selecting a location to plant my quick fire hydrangea, I look for a spot that receives morning sun and afternoon shade to ensure optimal growth and blooming. This balance of sunlight helps prevent the plant from wilting in hot afternoon temperatures while still providing enough light for healthy growth. Will quick fire hydrangea grow in shade? While quick fire hydrangeas prefer partial to full sun, they can tolerate some shade, especially in the afternoon when the sun is strongest. However, I've noticed that they tend to produce fewer blooms in shadier conditions, so I aim to plant them in areas where they receive at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. Where to buy quick fire hydrangea? I've purchased quick fire hydrangeas from a variety of local nurseries and garden centers, as well as online retailers specializing in shrubs and perennials. I recommend checking with your favorite garden store or browsing online for reputable sources that offer healthy plants and reliable shipping options.